Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best alkaline water products that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Alkazone Alkaline Booster Drops. This product is perfect for those who want the flexibility to create their own alkaline water anytime, anywhere. Each 1.25-ounce bottle can create up to 20 gallons of alkaline water, making it a cost-effective option for regular users. The formulation includes essential minerals and potassium, which not only raise the pH level of your water, but also help reduce acidic waste in your body. Promoting overall health, the design is compact, travel-friendly, and easy to use. The drops are colorless, odorless, and tasteless, ensuring that they won't alter the flavor of your water. This makes it a great choice for those who want to maintain the natural taste of their water while enjoying the benefits of alkalinity. However, the fact that you have to manually add the drops might not appeal to those looking for a more convenient solution. The Alkazone Booster Drops are ideal for health-conscious individuals who want to take control of their water's pH level while on the go. While it may not provide the instant grab-and-go convenience of prepackaged alkaline water, its ability to make 20 gallons per pack is impressive. The main drawback is the extra step of preparation, but if you're willing to invest a bit of effort, this product offers a solid value proposition. Taking the number 3 spot is the phenomenal Alkaline Water Concentrate. This product stands out for its ability to create water with an ultra-high pH level of 11+, the highest on the market. A single 16-ounce bottle can make up to 4 gallons of alkaline water, making it a practical choice for those who value both performance and shelf stability. Unlike other alkaline solutions, this concentrate works by neutralizing acidity in the body rather than adding minerals, which reduces the risk of over-alkalizing. The packaging is simple and functional, and the concentrate is tasteless, ensuring it won't interfere with the flavor of your drinks. It's also shelf-stable for years, making it a reliable option for long-term use. However, the high pH may not be suitable for everyone, especially those new to alkaline water, as it could be too strong for regular consumption. This product is best suited for individuals dealing with specific health concerns related to acidity, such as lactic or uric acid buildup. If you're looking for a highly effective solution that offers more control over your water's pH level, this concentrate is a fantastic option. Just keep in mind that it's not as convenient as prepackaged alkaline water, and its potency might require some getting used to. In the number 2 spot, we have Flow Water Alkaline Spring Water. This product combines convenience and sustainability, offering naturally alkaline spring water in eco-friendly, plant-based packaging. With a pH level that's naturally balanced, Flow Water provides a refreshing and hydrating experience. Its sleek, portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go hydration, whether you're at the gym, hiking, or just running errands. The packaging features a plant-based cap and carton, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. The taste is clean and smooth, with no added flavors or preservatives. However, at 16.9 ounces per carton, the volume might feel limited for those who drink a lot of water throughout the day. It's a premium option, and while the price is not listed, it's clear that you're paying for both quality and eco-conscious design. Flow Water is an excellent choice for environmentally conscious consumers who want a convenient and naturally alkaline hydration option. While it may not be the most budget-friendly choice, its high quality and sustainable design make it a strong contender in the alkaline water market. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Just Water. This product effortlessly balances quality, sustainability, and convenience, making it our top choice for alkaline water. Sourced from natural springs in Glens Falls, New York, this water boasts an 8.0 pH level, providing a crisp and refreshing taste. The packaging is where Just Water truly shines. Made from FSC-certified paper and capped with sugarcane-derived plastic, the carton is both plant-based and fully recyclable, reducing carbon emissions by up to 74% compared to traditional plastic bottles. The water has a smooth, clean taste, free from any artificial additives or flavors. Each carton contains 11.2 ounces, and the pack of 24 ensures that you always have an eco-friendly hydration option on hand. While the smaller volume per carton might be a downside for heavy drinkers, the product excels in sustainability and portability. Just Water is perfect for anyone who values eco-conscious living without compromising on water quality. Its combination of natural alkalinity, sustainable packaging, and great taste makes it a standout choice in the crowded alkaline water market. For anyone looking to stay hydrated while being kind to the planet, Just Water is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.